top news headlines. CM announces reopening of schools, colleges. Sixth Amar Falcon Festival 2021 held at Tamenglong. And Go to Villas 2 held at Imphal East Dakhil. We are collectively facing a pandemic threat that is sweeping across the humanity beyond oceans and borders. Considering the seriousness of COVID-19, it's about time we step up against this deadly disease. Maintain a safe distance from others, even if they don't appear to be sick. Wear masks in public, especially indoors or when physical distancing is not possible. Choose open, well-ventilated spaces over closed ones. Clean your hands often. Use soap and water or an alcohol-based hand rub. Get vaccinated when it's your turn. Follow local guidance about vaccination. Cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Stay home if you feel unwell. Hello, good evening. This is PONYTV giving you the latest Wednesday English Bulletin. I am Maria PANGAMBAM. Now the news in detail. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today announced reopening of schools and colleges in Manipur soon. The school reopening will be started from Class 9, launching the Chief Minister's Civil Services Scholarship Scheme 2021 at Dakhil. Biren said youth participation is crucial to bring the society in a new height. He told 200 civil service aspirants who were present at the event that maintaining good behavior is very important, adding that lack of good behavior naturally hinders the targeted goal, and one should never forget to do something good for the society. Education Minister S. Razend in speech expressed hope that the Rs 2 crore and 40 lakh word scheme will produce a number of IAS and IPS officers from the state, which in turn will help in advancement of Manipur. Rajya Sabha MP Laysem Basana Jawa also attended the function.
Willing to get further education in BPET, BA physical education. And the family condition. One my eldest brother was in the SSB, and one of my brothers is my other brother he was studying in the Chandigarh for the veterinary. So I approached to my other brothers, Tajo, I want to go for the BPL because I started as a sportsman and cadre like this, no? So I approached to my brother. So will you provide me? So I want to go for the BPL course to the Amravati. The first, the reaction of my brothers, no?
Nasi ekoi government, Honorable Chief Minister Sri Biren Singh government Sri tongan ba ekoi youth sing the promote tonganaba onaba da natana nasi ekoi Indian administration India gi adugumba administration service da yawbang namnanabagi adugumba Manipur gi naha mayam ama direct like suwairaba yamna potential lairaba adugumba naha kayama ekoi mapanda coaching chatpa kotpa ekoi income source of income laitabadagi imung da yamna poor family da laiba adugumba imung kayana ngasi afaba satra kaya mapanda IS oiba yaba IPS oiba then service da yawa yaba mayam ama ekoi coaching mapanda chatpagi awaba expenditure mayam ngamdabadagi ekoi laiba mayam sing ngasi ekoi government na 2019 dagi ekoi bursman oina tawrambadu ngasi di ekoi physical oina face to face ekoi class da tawnana.
The Manipur government today held Go to Village 2 at Dakhil in Imphal East. Chief Minister N. Biren, Rajya Sabha MP Maharaja Laisem Basana Jauba, Education Minister S. Rajan, Advisor to Chief Minister Thangnauzam Shyam Kumar, Works Minister T.H. Biswajit, Agriculture Minister O. Lukoy, Travel Affairs and Hills Minister Vungzagin Valte, Wangkai MLA Yungkam Irawat and government officials were present at the event. Go to Village is an initiative of the Manipur government to reach out to the citizens at their doorsteps. During the event, CM N. Biren stated that the Go to Village program ensures government-sponsored schemes are reached out to the disadvantaged groups. The government is also giving opportunity to the older citizens at their doorsteps, he said, adding that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is treasured by all as he is a good leader. There are many political parties which have failed to understand the Go to Hills and Go to Village missions, Biren added. He also announced that the Sanjianbam Yorabung Road and Andro Napetpally Road will be blacktopped soon.
White paper yellow the Mari lady. Sing the Pesha Hadadi Haram single leader, Amani, Emily, Amani, yellow over. Lali Harova. From that up again. Not the propaganda Tauraga, Canada, but Iran Sabbath. Politics, Mamaki politics, Songtoka, Songzinga, Adu Taureda, Taurena, Ayuknaman, the Naman political culture, BJP the Senero. BJP the with principle. Ngahaler ka amugyaw ke hay ngahaler mo songthok ke hay ngahaler mo nungsire mo hay ngahaler mo kindness ye do koi BJP de madu yad BJP ki the principle no matter Narendra Modi ji ki tauni ade tawe article 370 Kashmir ki sensitive hoiba international issue hoiba do Kashmir issues tauni ade tawe no parliament article 370 lothokhin kana ke donga mi I go Manipur inner line permit Karamba state full tribal national labor Aduma state Aduga full hilly state neighbor inner line permit piece.
Pura Magna Masiki portrait message Imung Manunda, Marie Matada, Kana Chana with the Sandopi with the Kala because Maran the Tung the Hori posting that history Kanana Karitormi, Kanana Karitormi have a say, Apabamu the Patado, Naninga Matam Oi have a say, Akoi Tamjagani, Adanapai, Yambiro City. Hoingasi lariba petrol hanam ki damakta diesel hanam ki damakta ban blockade tawdana queue leptana leramba ada more than 180 days ki hena akoi manipur se ban blockade tormado ngasi di ban blockade ki free oidana lon loigre adana central leaders ki wachak honorable chief minister ki wachak punamak to ngasi di fulfill torda practically prajada utpaje steki hena chawba biggest achievement like de jai hanjan hanjan hajagane bo muchima aduna koi ngasi akoi leriba Bharatiya Janata Party karamba party no harje BJP har ka sakkum se BJP si differently work to ba yamna difference to ina leiba party amane aduna masidi maram masigi achobu khudam de karino haba matamda Bharatiya Janata Party na panba mafam da peace lai Bharatiya Janata Party na panba mafam da development lay have a share, Masi Manipur, Kudam Never Masi.
Sang Tongi, Imung Jisakum, my Mulibra, Sak Tongi, I haven't sing Mayam Singado, Manu, Hunjana, Badugumba leadership, Adugumba government, Aduna Ningasi, Equina Tonganga program, Kayama, Barat Sarkana Paikataba, program Kayama Ngasi, Honorable Chief Minister na 2011 census Yaudaba. Adugumba Mioy Kaya Gidamakta, Lying Nabagidamakta, Chief Minister Gi, Haksel Gitingbang, Ngasi, Ekoi, Lupalak, Niani Ngasi.
The 6th edition of Amar Falcon Festival 2021 was held today at Chioloan village in Tamenglong district. Forest, Environment and Climate Change Minister Awangbam Niumai was the chief guest of the function. Forest and Environment Additional Chief Secretary M.H. Khan and Wildlife Institute of India, Dehradun Director Dr. Dhananjay Mohan were the guest of honor, and Dr. A.K. Joshi, PCCF and HOFF attended was the president of the function. Dignitaries including CF Western Circle and Intrust DFO Tamenglong, Gai Taulo Tiamai, Tamenglong Deputy Commissioner Hung Kyo Wersang and Tamenglong SP MS Anupam were also present on the occasion. Cultural dance troupes and singers presented impressive performance during the program. Minister Awang Numai spoke about the Amur Falcon conservation efforts taken up by the Forest Division Tamenglong. He also thanked the forest officials and civil society for bringing Tamenglong at the global attention. He also emphasized on the need to continue massive awareness program on Amur Falcons in the near future. No Clue Form, the Whitley Award winner for Amur Falcon Conservation from Nagaland, also shared his experience on community participation in nature conservation. Forest Minister Awang Numai during the function also presented household products to the women of Tamenglong district, and the sum of Rs 20,000 was also handed over to the women's self-help group. He also inaugurated a barrack-type building constructed at the cost of Rs 33 lakh. People from nearby villages, church leaders, village authorities and youths also attended the Amur Falcon Festival.
Though I'm not asked to say that I have contributed anything to conserve this wildlife, but personally, I will say that I'm an animal lover. In fact, only very recently we have heard from the Forest Department and also the Rainforest Club and the effort of the local animal lovers and also educated youths. We are seeing some changes in the concept and attitude of the people.
Intending candidate from Wangzing Tentha Assembly constituency, Osam Manglim joined National People's Party NPP today. A reception program in favor of him was held at Mayol, Iroisemba. Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joy Kumar, MLA L. Jayant Kumar, intending candidate from Ketrigaon constituency, Sheikh Nur Hassan, intending candidate from Langtabal constituency, Karam Navakisho, intending candidate from Wangkai constituency, L. Jayananda, and intending candidate from Singzamai constituency, Roman, also attended the function.
Candidate open mituda aina hagibada Karam Sambu aigi matom tamjo haiba aina hagibe soile mana aigi matom tamasu ngamoi duga tamju tamde adu amuk mana imonda nasibda nam joy kwadi Karam Sambu tom tamgadoni mana haga tamgadum sunati am tamgadum sunati aina haibada aidi mai matom tamasu ngamoi mana su aigi matom tambang ngamoi aidi oidabungang baite achumbada Chumdi Habungamde, Chumdabu, Chumani Habungamde, Adu Akangbo, Kandi Habungamde, Kangdasu, Akangba Saba, Adumba, Kari Hagani, the Sagi, Mingonda, Minamadu, Matobamba, Aidi Sagi, Aina Kangagri Kange, Aina Chimi Chumi, and Kangari Chumi, Adumio.
Karigumba dom yumda laiba anaba singi hida kappa dressing tauba blood sample loba rice tube hapa catheterization hapa enema tobinaba experience lairaba nurse amati doctor thibada awaba thengnabirabadi wabiraganu Medline Home Nursing Care Service Manipurna kunkunmari chukna adom yumda latuna hida kappa injection piba dressing tauba feeding tube hapa catheter hapa amadi makhal kya ke anaba sing experience lairaba doctor amadi nursing latuna mating pangzari akupa marol gi damak Medline gi helpline number 9205987988 amukasu 9205987988 ta call toguna tanabiu natraga Google Play Store gi Medline app download toguna booking tobi.
Assam Rifles under the aegis of IGAR shout Mantripukri today organized Ningo Chakoba program. Leaders of several civil society organizations, women entrepreneurs, women players and women journalists attended the event. Major General Alok Naresh also attended the program. He lauded that the women of Manipur have been playing a key role in the society since a long time. Major General Alok felt proud of inviting them to the Ningol Chakoba program. Traditional song and dances were held as part of the event. The IGAR South also presented the attendees with gifts.
This campus is also blessed that you all have come over here today, and on this occasion, as your brother, I would extend once again very warm greetings to each one of you and pray to the God Almighty that may your lives, your near and dear ones, your families be blessed always. May you have success, happiness and joy in all your future endeavors, and may your life continues to be blessed with smiles and the best of everything in life.
Yangang Pokpi Company operating base of Mantripukri Battalion under the aegis of IGAR South provided assistance to an old-age home located near Kakching village yesterday. COVID relief items, medicines and clothing were handed over to the home. The initiative was taken up by Assam Rifles in continuation with its efforts to improve cooperation with the villagers, thereby strengthening mutual trust and to bring peace and harmony. The staff and inmates of the all-age home expressed their profound gratitude to the Assam Rifles. The event was conducted by strictly following all the COVID-19 protocols. Tecnopol Battalion under the aegis of IGAR South foiled cross-border narcotics trafficking near Tecnopol on 7th of November. During routine checking at vehicle checkpost Kudeng Tabi, troops noticed two women moving suspiciously. A riflewoman was assigned to carry out the detailed search at appropriate place. During the thorough search, 6 soap cases containing 72 grams of suspected brown sugar worth Rs 14.40 lakh strapped around the inner thighs were recovered. The seized narcotics along with the drug traffickers were handed over to Tecnopol police for further investigation. 2 women were arrested after police recovered over 1 kg of heroin from the possession at Madan Ting. East Khasi Hills Superintendent of Police Sylvester Nongnagar, in a statement issued on Monday, said the 2 women have been arrested in the case registered and investigation is on to name others involved in the racket. He said that on November 5, an information was received that an illegal consignment of narcotic drugs was being delivered to a person staying at Madanting. Further, on November 6, after the information was verified, immediately the ANTF team along with officers and personnel of Madanting police station proceeded to the residence of the suspect. A house search was conducted at the residence of the suspect in the presence of independent witnesses. During the search, 101 soap boxes were recovered, he said. All the soap boxes contained heroin, which was confirmed by a preliminary test. The heroin seized with 1.116 kg trafficked from Myanmar, the police officer informed. The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC introduced the KHAD Village and Town Development Council Bill 2021, which seeks to deal with the welfare and socio-economic development of the village under the administrative control of the traditional bodies. Tabling the bill during the first day of the council's autumn session, KHADC Chief Tito Star Welchine said, whereas it has become expedient to streamline and to provide for an efficient village and town development administration which is transparent, accountable and to strengthen the time-tested caste system of democracy and social custom. The bill said there will be a Village Development Council VDC in each and every village and a Town Development Council TDC in each and every town constituted by the Dorbar Nong and duly approved by the Chief and Executive Committee of the District Council. The objective of the VDC and TDC is for planning and implementation of developmental activities within the village and towns in the autonomous district of Khasi Hills. The VDC and TDC will be under the general control and supervision of the Dorbar Nong, and it will be accountable to the Dorbar Nong, stating that VDC or TDC will be a permanent non-hierarchical body. The Vale said its decision-making will be based on simply majority. The headman will be the ex-officio chairman of the VDC or TDC, while the office bearers, including vice chairman, secretary, joint secretary, treasurer, will be elected by way of secret ballot voting and simple majority. The term of the office will be for 5 years. It further added that in the area where there is no traditional Dorbar Nong, the executive committee, after consultation with the chief and his Dorbar, will constitute the VDC in the village or TDC in the town. Before we wrap up the bulletins, the top news headlines once again. CM announces reopening of schools, colleges. Sixth Amar Falcon Festival 2021 held at Tamenglong. And Go to Village 2 held at Imphal East Takil. Thank you for watching PONYTV English News. Keep watching for more updates.